Welcome back everyone. So in this video I'm going to tell you about Apache JMeter installation. So you need to go to the browser and just download JMeter, and first link you will get, just click on that. So if you are using Windows operating system, that just download this one, and if you are using another operating system like Linux, then you can download this file. Okay, and please also into that it also requires Java 8 plus versions on your machine, so you can download SDK Java and by Oracle website. So here you can see these are for Linux and this is for Mac and Windows. So my operating system is Windows, so I will install this, but because Java is already installed on my machine, so I am not doing this right now. So but you need to install Java on your machine. If you don't have Java installed on your machine, to use the Apache JMeter because it requires Java. So if the file is downloaded, as you can do is you just go to the first, as you of all you extract the zip file. To change the files you need to extract it, and after extracting it you just need to go to the folder, then you need to go to bin folder, and bin folder you just need to find the JMeter Windows batch file. With the type Windows batch file you just need to click on, and the JMeter will start. Here you can see Apache JMeter, so it has been started, and this is the UI of Apache JMeter. This is the tool. So how to use it, we will start doing from the another session. So see you in the next video. Thank you.